Kristen, thank you for your post. I appreciate you discussing the intake assessment and providing some examples of the JACO recommended questions according to Hodge 2006. This is a good start to broaching the topic of spirituality and religion with the client. However, because the client may respond with simple yes and no answers at intake, as counselors, I recommend assessing further by asking open ended questions, according to Giordano and Cashwell 2014, that help us and our clients delve into the benefits of spirituality and religious practice in preventing substance use relapse. For example, this question could be asked: if at some point in your life you were part of a spiritual community, would you describe what that was like and how helpful it was to your daily routine? Now, the intake assessment that is set aside, I would also recommend asking the client during during your journey to recovery, what are some things you would do to prevent being tempted to relapse? Or what places, people, and things would you eliminate from your life to prevent being tempted to return to substance use? Then, even the counselor, I'm sorry, if the counselor comes from a Judeo Christian faith background, you could use examples from scripture to illustrate how spirituality and religious practices can help your client cling to the strength and insights God offers to address temptation and avoid falling into the outcome of temptation. There are many other open-ended questions that can be asked that cannot be covered in this post. Nevertheless, Koenig 2017 and many other researchers offer empirical evidence of the benefits that spirituality and religious practice provide people with substance use disorders, which can be discussed with a client, especially those who may be hesitant to reconnect or even make initial connection with a faith. Lastly, a couple of important topics for dialogue are guilt and shame. Assisting clients who struggle with these thoughts and feelings is important for maintaining abstinence and preventing relapse. Introducing spiritual and religious principles that speak on forgiveness, cleansing, and starting a new life could be the beginning of healing and hope for a brighter future. God bless you, Christian, through the rest of this course and your program of study.